So it is now the next day. We're out here, got the table set up. We're gonna start getting this stuff on the car. So hopefully it comes out great, because this is gonna be super time consuming, but I think the ending product, you guys can't even see me, sorry. The ending product is gonna be awesome. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I want to say to my haters, I made it, but later I run it up.
So what I just did there was mark the center line of the car, because we're only doing half of it. I want to make sure that, you know, there's not any like goofy triangles or whatever like swaying off onto the other side of the car. It's just like my center line, so I know where to stop. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into putting the wrap on. We wiped everything down, made sure it was clean, so should be smooth sailing from here, hopefully. But let's do it.
In the front, I be counting it up. I've been running my checks and I do it for fun. And I don't recall what I spent at the mall, cause I put up and copped and I'm making it run. I know they be hating, they all overrated, they small and they fake, and I know that my son. I do not know you, hunters I roll through, calling me broke, but I'm about to go show you. Under the bank of the bills and they so new. I got a baddie, they know that she's on you. Oh yeah, look what I made. Stayed in my lane, though I'm finna get paid. I don't know why you been talking, you ain't even ballin', just go and get out of my face. I said I'll grind to the end and I swear there's no stopping. I lend a hand to my brothers cause I know they got me. I spend a lot of that dough and they know I be popping. I say I'm getting this paper, so I'm finna bag it. I know that you had it, but I got them stack it. And now that I'm up, you be hating my status, huh? What? Quit being a fake and come talk to myself. You still acting like you been hard, but I swear this is bad for your health.